Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12i and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on this device. As you can see, I searched PUBG mobile games and I can't install it, is not visible. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our store where we choose on me, and there we scroll down and look for settings application. In it, we tap on our apps mode, and there we have now kids. To visible game as PUBG or Mobile Legends games, we need full access. To change it, we must tap there, and there we must enter our passwords to change it. And that's all. After we change it, we have all. We can install PUBG game, and it is visible right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.